In this tutorial, we will see how to manage data in a results table using PS IMAGO PRO. Specifically, we will see how a pivot table works. Let's open the cards dataset. This dataset contains information such as card status, card type, issuing organization, flag variables indicating whether the card is current or historical, and a filtering variable indicating whether the card has been activated by the customer. First, let's create a table. Go to the Analyze menu, then Tables, and select Custom Tables. From the list of variables on the left, select the status variable and move it to the rows. Next, select the type variable and move it to the columns. Additionally, let's expand our table with layers. So select the Layers option in the upper right corner and move the issuing organization variable there. Click OK. We received a table where the data can be presented based on the issuing payment organization. Let's assume that we want to change the way we present data about debit and credit cards. Let's use the variable indicating the card status as the filtering variable, which is in the layer. To achieve this, we do not need to refer to the dataset. We will use the existing table. Double-click on it. First, we see that we can change the way data is presented, such as switching from MasterCard to Visa or American Express. However, we want to change the current display method. So, go to the Pivot menu and select Pivoting Trays. In the newly opened window, we can manage the way data is displayed in the table. Additionally, changes made are immediately visible. So, in our example, we want to switch the layer and row. First, select the layer and move it to the Rows field, and move the row to the field responsible for displaying layers. After switching places, we see the changes immediately. Close the window. We have quickly and easily achieved the desired effect. Now we can filter the displayed data based on the card status rather than the payment organization. Let's go back to the pivoting options. Let's try, for example, to move the information from the row to the column. This way, on the left side, we have information for debit cards divided by payment organizations, and on the right for credit cards. In this manner, we can manage and reorganize our data presentation dynamically and effectively using PS IMAGO PRO.